Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video. In today's video I will show you how to turn on autoplay in Netflix. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix and after that click on My Netflix. After that go and click on your name. And after that manage profiles and click on the pen icon, and as you can see here you have two autoplay options, the autoplay next episode and the autoplay previews. So you can just turn them on, both of them, or just turn on one of them. It's up to you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.